Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all doing? I welcome you all to class science. This is our lecture number 4. Students, today in our class we will study about plants and their parts. This is unit 3 in your books. Please open your books. So students, let's recall what we already know. We know that the plants are living things. जैसे बाकी living things grow करती हैं, breathe करती हैं, उसी तरह plants भी grow करते हैं और breathe करते हैं. We know that the plants are of different shapes and sizes. Plants की shapes different होती हैं और इनके sizes भी different होते हैं. कुछ small size के होते हैं, कुछ large size के होते हैं. We also know that the plants grow in soil as well as in water. कुछ plants मिट्टी में grow करते हैं और कुछ आपको water में भी grow करते हुए नजर आ रहे होते हैं. We also know that the seeds need air, water, sunlight, and good soil to grow into a plant. Students, we will learn in this lesson that there are different types of plants. Plants जो हैं वो मुख्तलिफ किस्म के होते हैं. Each part of plant has a different function. Plant के जो parts हैं वो different function perform कर रहे होते हैं. There are many uses of flowers. Flowers के uses के बारे में हम सीखेंगे. Some flowers grow into fruits. And we'll also learn that the fruits have a skin, a fleshy inner part and seeds. हम ये भी सीखेंगे कि fruits के different parts क्या होते हैं. There are different types of plants and these are shrubs, herbs, creepers, climbers and trees. Plants different types के होते हैं, different तरह के होते हैं. अब हमारे पास ये different types हैं, हम इनमें से एक एक करके सबको study करेंगे. The first type is shrubs. Shrubs are small plants and they have woody stems. ये small size plants होते हैं और इनकी जो stems होती हैं वो wood की तरह से होती हैं, woody होती हैं. The next type is herbs. Herbs are also small plants but they have green tender stems. Small size plants हैं लेकिन इनकी stems जो हैं वो green color की होती हैं और tender होती हैं, नरम होती हैं. The next type is creepers. Creepers are the plants with weak stems. इनकी जो stems हैं वो कमजोर होती हैं, weak होती हैं. That is why they grow along or close to the ground. Because their stem is weak, that is why they grow close to the ground. Okay? The next type is climbers. Climbers are the plants which climb up other plants or surfaces. Climbers जो हैं वो दूसरे plants पे climb करते हुए grow करते हैं और इसी तरह दूसरी surfaces पे भी climb करते हुए grow करते हैं. इसीलिए इनको climbers का नाम दिया गया. The next type is trees. Trees are the largest plants. सबसे जो बड़े plants हैं इन सारे types में वो हम trees को कहेंगे. Trees have a single woody stem called trunk. ठीक है, इनकी जो एक single stem होती है woody that is very strong and you call that stem trunk. क्या कहेंगे आप इसकी stem को? Trunk. जैसे कि आप देखते हैं mango trees में, palm trees में एक single stem होती है strong सी woody सी, उसे हम trunk कहते हैं. These were the types of plants. Now we'll study all of these types one by one in detail. Okay? First we will study about the shrubs. Shrubs are small plants and they have woody stems. As you can see in this picture, आपको picture में shrubs नजर आ रहे हैं बहुत सारे बने हुए. ये small size plants हैं और इनकी जो stems हैं वो wood की तरह से होती हैं. Okay? The next type of plant is herbs. Herbs are also small plants but they have green tender stems. इनकी stems जो हैं वो green color की होती हैं और tender होती हैं, soft होती हैं. These are often aromatic plants. Okay? Aromatic means they have fragrant smell. इनकी खुशबू होती है, इसीलिए आप फूड को फ्लेवर करने के लिए इसे यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि coriander leaves आप यूज करते हैं अपने फूड में एक फ्लेवर ऐड करने के लिए, खुशबू ऐड करने के लिए. ओके. Now we will study about the creepers. Creepers have weak stems. बहुत कमजोर सी इनकी stems होती हैं. And they grow along or close to the ground. क्योंकि इनकी stems इतनी weak हैं इसलिए बिल्कुल ground के close grow करते हैं ये, जैसे कि आपको pumpkin grow करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं क्योंकि pumpkin भी creepers हैं. The next type we have is climbers. Climbers have soft and weak stems. इनकी जो stems हैं वो weak हैं, साथ साथ soft भी हैं, नरम हैं. And they climb up other plants or surfaces such as grapevine. ये आपको दूसरी surfaces के साथ climb करते हुए grow हुआ हुआ नजर आएगा. Now we will study about the trees. Trees are the largest plants. अभी तक हम जितनी types पढ़ चुके हैं उनमें सबसे ज़्यादा largest plants are trees. They have a single woody stem called trunk. As you can see in this palm tree, there is a single woody stem and you call this a trunk. आप इस woody stem को क्या कहेंगे? Trunk. We can tell the age of tree by counting the rings inside trunk. As you can see in this picture, there are 4 rings inside the trunk and you can count these rings and tell the age of the tree. Each year the tree grows a new ring inside the trunk. Okay? हर साल ट्री का जो ट्रंक है उसके अंदर एक रिंग बनती है. इन रिंग्स को काउंट करके आप ट्री की एज बता सकते हैं. You can see there is a tough protective outer layer of tree or woody shrub and you call that layer bark. In this picture you can see the dark brown part. This is the tough layer which protects the tree and you call this layer bark. And on the left side you can see multiple rings which tell us the age of the tree, and on the upper part there is a smaller knot. Okay, so the trunk has 3 main parts: a knot, rings and a bark. Do you know that the paper used to make this book came from a tree? Actually, the paper is made from wood. Wood is finely chopped and mixed with water to make a soft pulp. The pulp is then turned into paper. Now we will study about parts of a plant. A plant has many different parts. What do these parts do? Let us find out. First we will study about flower. Flowers are the parts of some plants that become fruits and seeds. These grow into new plants. Flowers plant के वो parts हैं जो fruits और seeds बन जाते हैं और फिर इन्हीं seeds और fruits से new plants बनते हैं. The next part we will study is leaf. Leaves make food for the plant. Leaves also make a gas called oxygen. We breathe in oxygen from the air to keep us alive. Plant के लिए food जो है वो leaves बनाते हैं. Leaves एक गैस oxygen भी बनाते हैं जो हम breathe in करते हैं और जिस breathe in करने की वजह से हम जिंदा रह पाते हैं. We breathe in oxygen to keep us alive. Okay? Now we will study about the stem. Stems are the stalks that move water and food through the plant to the leaves and flowers. Stems plant की वो stalks हैं जो water को और food को plant में move करती हैं, उनके leaves तक पहुंचाती हैं और उनके flowers तक पहुंचाती हैं. Okay? Stems also support the parts of a plant. They are the supporting system of a plant. They support different parts of a plant. Okay? Now we will study about the next part of a plant, roots. Roots take in water for the plant from the soil. Roots work like straws to suck up water. Roots जो हैं वो soil में से water को suck करके एक straw की तरह plants के different parts तक पहुंचाती हैं. They also help to hold the plant firmly in the ground. ग्राउंड में जो प्लांट है वो फर्मली स्ट्रांगली रहे उसके लिए कौन हेल्प करता है? रूट. ओके, लेट्स फाइंड आउट वेदर दिस इज अ मिथ और अ फैक्ट that a cactus can survive without any water or nutrients. क्या लगता है स्टूडेंट्स आपको कि कैक्टस जो है वो वाटर और न्यूट्रिएंट्स के बगैर सरवाइव कर सकता है? No, a cactus needs to get the nutrients from the soil and it needs water. कैक्टस को न्यूट्रिएंट्स की भी जरूरत है और वाटर की भी जरूरत है to survive and grow. As you can see, a cactus has a thick fleshy stem and prickly spines. Actually, these spines are form of leaves. So these spines channel water to the roots. You can see the flowers are of many different colors, shapes and sizes. All fruits come from flowers, but not all flowers become fruits. Apple, apricot and strawberries, they all grow from flowers. And flowers are used for many purposes such as decoration, making medicine, and some flowers grow into fruits. Now we will learn about the fruits. There are different types of fruits. Can we eat all of them? Let us find out. Some fruits taste good, can be eaten. For example, apple, banana, plum, grapes. They taste good and they can be eaten. While some fruits cannot be eaten as they are poisonous. कुछ फ्रूट्स जो हैं वो पॉइजनस होते हैं, उनमें पॉइजन होता है, जहरीले होते हैं, इसलिए नहीं खाए जा सकते. While other fruits do not taste nice. So there are 3 types of fruits. 1, they taste good and can be eaten. 2, they cannot be eaten as they are poisonous. And 3, they do not taste nice. So students, this is your home assignment. Make a list of all the fruits you can think of. Which ones have you tried? Which would you like to try? Now let's check whether your concept is clear or not. You have to put a T to the true statement or F to the false statement right next to the each statement. Number 1. Leaves make food for the plant. This statement is true. Number 2. Roots take in water. This statement is also true. Number 3. All trees have fruits. Well, this statement is false because all trees do not have fruits. Thank you, students. If you have any queries, please write it down in the comment section and all your queries will be facilitated inshallah.